So we had a number of different presentations this morning. How did you rate them?
I found them interesting because, as always, when you talk about the One Belt, One Road, it's a discussion that evokes a lot of reactions. There are clearly some very positive aspects, but there also is a downside and some risks involved. And I'm glad that the audience and the panelists were actually engaging and talking about some of the both sides of what could be done and what are the potential upsides and potential downsides of having this trade route and China's involvement in investing in different countries, especially third world countries, which is an interesting strategy.
Yeah. Was there a particular highlight from this morning's session?
Well, at the risk of being repetitive, I think the Hyperloop discussion was very interesting, very enumerating. It's not traditionally a part of the shipping discussion, but it's so relevant to all of us being in the UAE and the potential for it to being a disruptor, whether it's in container traffic, as was discussed, or any aspect, anything to do with logistics is tied in. And so that's a huge logistical contribution. So that was quite fascinating, and considering how new the technology is, that we're going to be one of the first few cities in the world that's going to actually visualize a real project happening. I think there's a lot to look forward to.
Yeah. And the event overall, how have you found the organisation, the attendance? How would you assess that?
Well, as usual, it's not only the companies that attend, it's the quality and the caliber of the people who attend. It's nice to see the CEOs here, the CFOs here. So when you actually have a discussion, you're talking about something more than just a position or a point of view of a company, but you're talking about somebody who is a thought leader or an industry leader. So that's always an interesting part of the discussion. And TMS always does a wonderful job of rounding up the creme of the creme de la creme. So it's great to be here.
Great. Thank you very much. Thanks very much. Good. Cheers then. Good to see you again.